first fire in the Liberty 94. Man, am I excited. It is such a joy to cook on this cooker. The prototype cooker, I did a biscuit test on it. It was unbelievable. I always used to say, you know, if you go back on the SmokerBuilder YouTube channel far enough, you'll see I've been publishing on there since 2010 about how to build a smoker and the engineering side of smokers and like how air moves and what it does, you know, thermodynamics, fluid dynamics, all that kind of stuff. That's what I did for a living, so for a long time. The thing I always say about it is just, it's 50% the pit. The other 50% is the guy running it. We can design and engineer and try to outsmart pitmasters all day long, or new pitmasters, but at the end of the day, what really does matter is your experience as you're burning in a pit. Are you having fun? Do you like your food? And does your family and friends like your food? Did you have a good time, right? That's what matters. And so there's no smoke and mirrors here. This is just a good pit. It's probably one of my favorite smokers I've ever been involved with, ever. And the craftsmanship is ridiculous on this thing. You know, it's one thing to, I'll go ahead and say this too. It's one thing to be able to build a smoker and do it really nice and do a good job. It's a completely different animal to build a lot of smokers really fast and maintain high quality and consistency in every single pit. And that's why I like working with Dustin. You know, I'm SmokerBuilder, Dustin is Smokeslinger, and he does a phenomenal job. Them guys in there, I got to work with them a couple of days last week. That's why I brought this home. It's because I was down there working with them, and they're good. Them guys are really, really good, and it's just like a metronome going in that shop. High quality products, and you know, with Dave, working with Dave and my wife Lisa here on the Smokeslinger side of things, I couldn't ask for a better team. It's a lot of fun. We're having a great time, and we're helping a lot of people, and we're shipping pits every day, all over the place. So anyway. Hope that helps you there.